Back to the Kashyap Tech IT Brothers. So this is the part 22 of the tutorials. So in this we will going to be see like adding the source of text file and destination will be Excel. So let's see how we will going to be pull the data from the text like any data in a text file and how to load into the Excel. So first of all I have created the text file and destination, that is the Excel, and we have a data something in a department detail in a notepad like that and uh, we have created one Excel file, that is the empty file, and which have the column name, okay, and the sheet name. So now what I will going to do, we will going to do the like load the data from this notepad and export into the destination table. So let's start with the by creating one simple project of SSIS. Okay, so that is the integration service project. Next, that is the part 22 of the tutorial. Click on the create. So one project, that is solution, has been created and the SSIS package has been created here as well. So that is part 22. Now for like source and destination we required like a data flow in a control flow. Then it's a data flow, that is the source will be the text file. So I will take source assistance for this, that is the flat file. In flat file I will select the path of the text file. Then you can see here all the configuration has been proper. It is automatically selected the tab, we are getting the proper data of the text file. Preview, click on the OK. So flat file has been like configured. So let's configure the our destination, that is the Excel source. So you will get from the other source, that is OLEDB, or you can Excel, you have an Excel source here. So let's first of all configure the Excel. Click on the new, browse, admin, then click OK, then select the sheet from the Excel, click OK. Now join this with the precedence. Okay, so what is the error? So yeah, we have by mistakenly we have taken the source of the Excel, so just remove it. Take the destination of Excel, because our destination is a Excel destination and source is a flat file, that is text file. Okay, so select the sheet, because we have already configured the Excel connection manager in a few minutes back in a by mistakenly. So yeah, it's taking some time. Yeah, sheet 1, then mapping, yeah, its mapping is perfectly, then click on OK. But if you see here, we are getting some like a cross, that is the error message that department ID cannot convert between Unicode and non-Unicode. So if you can like if you double click on this and go to the mapping, and if you take your cursor on a destination column and input column, then you will see the difference, what is the data type of that column. So you can see department ID is a Unicode string, and department ID from here is a string dt underscore str. So you will see the difference is this, because in SSIS package, if your source column data type and destination column data type it's not matching, then your data will not get go properly on the destination. So before that you have to make the data type same as per the destination or as per the source. So you have to use the data conversion for this. So yep, so let's use data conversion. If you wanted to more about the data conversion, you can go to the playlist and you will find the data conversion tutorial in a detail. I have explained one by one like in a detail about that in that tutorial. So I have to convert all the things first. This one on into a Unicode string dt underscore str, and the data type length is 255. So all the column have a Unicode string dt underscore wstr in a destination. So I am making the source as well as same as a destination. Okay, and this one is we have in a destination data type as a date, dt underscore date. Okay, click on the OK. Now let's map the column. Okay, so this one copy of department id, copy of name, copy of group name, and copy of modified date, and click on OK. Let's see, the error is gone. Now our data has been set up perfectly. Now let's run this package. Yeah, you can see it's run successfully. There is a 70 rows in a source, and it was converted almost 17 rows, and it exported into destination over in Excel. Let's open the Excel and let's see if the file is data is come perfectly in our destination or not. Okay. Yep. So okay, why it's come like that? After this. Okay, so same Excel I have used in a past as well, so that's why it was exported after the 19 rows of the column. Okay, so let's make it new one and generate again. Okay, so tab destination one, click test one. Okay, let's configure again this, delete this Excel or delete this connection, or map this again with the new data destination, and click on the OK, and go to this here and select the tab of X sheet of the Excel from that connection manager, that is sheet 1. It's loading. Yep, now map this again. Now it's mapped. Now export it. Yep, so data has been exported perfectly in our destination. Let's see, open the Excel and let's see if data is scanned perfectly or not. Yep, this time we received the data perfectly in a destination Excel. Okay, so that's it about this tutorial. Thank you so much.